Hi guys, so I'm going to show you what we are calling the classic K look. It's just a natural, easy look. It's not too hectic and it's what I like to do all the time. So I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using the chestnut brow pencil. I like to fill in the top corner and just from underneath, anywhere that you feel you just want to look a little more fuller. After you've filled in your brows with the pencil, I just like to square the top corners. Just go out to the outer end. I also like using a pencil which is not too dark, slightly lighter shade. I just think it's softer on the face. You can take a toothbrush, which I'm sure you can find anywhere, and just blend it up. I find this works the best. So the next thing I'm using is the eyeshadow stick, which we've just launched. Okay, so that's the top done. So I'm using a different color for the bottom. This is called Bliss. And I'm just gonna go right here underneath. Putting a softer, lighter color under your eye actually opens up your eye. And it's really nice for the day when you don't want to have too much makeup or you don't want to look like you're wearing too much. I put it underneath my cheekbones, kind of just going to the center of the face because it just gives your face a nice contour. You can also add it on your jawline a little bit. It's a little bit like a bronzer, like where you would normally put a bronzer on your face. You also can just put it a little bit here. I like to do that. So next I'm going to use the smoky kajal. So I just like to draw a thin line very close to the lash line. And the other thing that I like to do is just go slightly on the inside. Now I'm going to take the other side, which is the smudger. And I'm just going to smudge that and pull it out a little bit. I like to extend the line going out just to make your eyes look really nice and wide at the other side. I don't put a lot on the bottom because this is a day look, and I just kind of, what I do is I dot it on the bottom rather than putting a really strong line. I just kind of dot it in the lash line. Next is the lips, so I'm going to use the K Beauty Matte Action Lip Liner. And next I'm going to use my favorite shade of the Matinee Lip Crayon in Billboard. Dab it on. So one other thing you can do with the Matinee Lip Crayon is just dab a little here on the cheeks. So these are all the products we've used in our classic K beauty look. Okay, so that's me done. I hope you enjoy wearing it as much as I do.